Joyce. Wish we were there to celebrate with you. Love you.
Hey Joyce, happy birthday. Hope you have a stress-free day today. Enjoy the rest of the day and celebrate with family and loved ones. You take care and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Joyce! I'm so glad that we are in touch again. Now that you're 15 again, I wish you much love, happiness, good health, and more blessings in the years to come. We're not getting any younger, so just relax, enjoy, and continue to be happy. Cheers to 50! Happy birthday!
Surprise! Joyce, happy 50th na ba? Oh, anyway, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless to the family. God bless to you. And see you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Joyce. I hope you're enjoying.
Happy birthday, Joyce. I hope you enjoy your time with family and friends. It's bad that we are not able to join you, but you know, you just enjoy.
Balik na lang tayo sa farm. I want to see it also.
Alright, happy
Bye.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Joyce! Happy birthday and more blessings to come. Greet ka ni Yuki. Yuki! Say hi to Tita Joyce.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday again, Joyce!
Happy
See you
birthday.
soon.
See you soon.
Happy 50th birthday, Joyce. Hope we see you again soon. Maybe the next time that we're back in Manila. Or maybe you can visit us again here in Singapore together with Ayan and the kids. Happy birthday. Have a great day celebrating.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Surprise! Happy birthday to Joyce!
Hi everyone! Hope you're having a great time. Happy birthday, Joyce. We wish you all the best and we hope to see you all soon, guys. Thank you.
Joyce, happy birthday. Happy 50th. I wish we are all there to celebrate it with you, but hindi kami maka-attend, but our hearts will always be with you and cheers for everyone there.
Happy birthday! Bye!
Wow, Joyce, it's your 50th birthday. We wish you a happy birthday, and I trust that this celebration will be meaningful, joyful, and a time to renew your faith in God, renew your love for your family, but most importantly, stay healthy, stay blessed, keep strong. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Joyce. We love you.
God bless you. Bye-bye.
Joyce, I want to greet you a happy 50th birthday. Hope you have so many more birthdays to come. Again, happy birthday! To Joyce, happy 50th birthday. I hope you'll have many more birthdays to celebrate. Hope all your wishes come true in God's grace. Happy birthday!
Hi Ate Joyce, happy 50th birthday. And more blessings to come. Ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Joyce. Take care. God bless po. We love you.